Hey guys, welcome back to Central City Barbecue. I'm Pitmaster James Cruz. Well look, spring and summer are around the corner. A lot of people trying to eat healthy. Well, I've got a pretty good recipe for you guys this week. It's smoked chicken salad. It's super delicious, super easy, and it's extremely versatile. High protein, low carbs, really depends on how you season it. It's still relatively very low carbs. Look, let's get started. What I start off with here was 5 pounds of chicken. I have a combination of boneless, skinless chicken breast and boneless, skinless chicken thighs. The very first thing I want to do is season it. And I'm using our Central City Barbecue Sweet Heat, which will be in stores very soon. And you want to go very kind of liberally over the top. Nothing crazy. Go around, go around, go around. And while I'm doing this, you guys hit that subscribe button right there. I mean, you don't want to just sit here and watch me season chicken. Flip it over, do the same thing to the other side. I'm going to season this stuff up. In the meantime, I've got that gateway back there fired up. We're going to be smoking over some lump charcoal, some pecan wood, at around 275 to 300. I can't wait to get started. I'll meet you at the smoker. Fire's lit. Throw a couple chunks of pecan down in there. That's all we're going to need. Let's get this chicken on. Alright, so the chicken's on the smoker. It's doing its thing. It should take up to about an hour. I'm going to flip it about halfway through. In the meantime, we're going to make the dressing. I'm basing this off of 2.5 pounds of cooked chopped chicken. And the reason why I came up with that number is because you're going to lose roughly 50% in your raw weight in your chicken. So this is based off 2.5 pounds. Use the multiplier all you want. You want to cook 10 pounds of chicken to get 5, double the recipe. So with that being said, first thing we're going with is 1.5 cups of like a heavy mayo, something thick. Here in New Orleans, we have Blue Plate. I know real popular and all over the country is Duke's. Use what you like. Here I'm using the local stuff, Blue Plate. After that, I've got 4 sliced green onion tops. So just the greens of 4 stalks. That's going in. Half of a tablespoon of Cajunland with green onion, or just any of your favorite Creole seasonings. Half a tablespoon of onion powder. Half of a tablespoon of garlic powder. Half of a tablespoon of black pepper. And half of a tablespoon of crushed red pepper flakes. Now, I like a little bites of mine. You don't have to put those in there. I just think it tastes really good. So, mix it up really, really, really good. Get all those seasonings well incorporated in there. Should look kind of like that right there. See it? Next thing is I have 4 hard-boiled eggs. I want to dice those up. Okay, now that we've got them all diced up, let's get those mixed in really, really well. So after I mix these up, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go put this in the refrigerator. I want it to get cold and let all those flavors melt. I'm going to go check on the chicken a little bit. Be right back. All right guys, 25 minutes in. The chicken's getting some good color. We're flipping. Flipping chicken. Guys, we'll be back in about 15 minutes or so to check on it. All right, let's check this chicken out real quick. 164 there. It's climbing. 160 there. This chicken's done. Let's take it out. We'll go chop it up. All right, the chicken's done. It only took about an hour. Actually, almost to the exact minute. It's crazy. That gateway back there turns out some really pretty backyard chicken. That boneless, skinless chicken breast and thighs, they smell great. So all I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna chop them up. So coarsely chop, slice them. I mean, there's nothing really I could tell you other than we're just gonna chop it up in little pieces, put it back in the pan, then go throw it in the refrigerator and let it cool off for a little bit. So let me chop this up. I'll be right back. So the chicken's been chilling in the refrigerator for about an hour. The dressing's been there about an hour and a half. Let's put them together. In my opinion, the very best way to mix them, put some gloves on, get at it by hand. Got my dressing already in here. Remember that from last time? I actually ended up having over 2.5 pounds of chicken, so I pulled some out. I'm gonna save some for later on as a snack. Where I might make some barbecue sauce and make a chopped chicken barbecue nacho or something. Anyway, 2.5 pounds of chopped chicken goes in here. Now all the chicken's in the coop. Let's mix it together. While I take these gloves off and taste the stuff, it looks good. I want to eat the whole bowl. Let's taste it. There's so many ways you can eat that. But look, my favorite way to eat it is I got a corn dusted Kaiser roll that I toasted back there in that gateway. Let's scoop some out, put it on there. Got a big portion scoop. Well, big portion, a heavy scoop right here. Look at that right there. That is unbelievable. Put that bun on top. Man, tell me you wouldn't eat that sandwich right there. That stuff, I'm ready to dig in. How's the old hunch thing go? That's a sandwich right there. That is one of my favorite things to eat in the entire world, and it's super easy to make. All we did was put some Central City barbecue sweet heat on some chicken breasts, some chicken thighs, smoked them on that gateway at 275, 300 with some pecan wood. It took about an hour, flipping halfway through, chopped it up, chilled it, made the dressing with some mayo, some dry seasoning, some green onions, some boiled eggs, put it all together. You could eat that on crackers, you could eat it on a sandwich, salad, whatever you want. Hell, eat it straight out of the bowl. It's your chicken salad now. Guys, thanks for following us. Follow the restaurant social media. Look, we're always doing some interesting things here. Follow myself. Ask me any questions on Facebook and on Instagram. As always, I really appreciate it. See you guys next week.